To anyone suffering from a mental illness, terrifying than battling with your own mind every single day. No one sees how hard you are constantly having to fight. No one else knows your pain. You should be proud of yourself even when you feel like you're failing. I am here to give you the respect and understanding you deserve. You were given this life because you were strong enough to live it. Never be ashamed of your story. So please stay here with me. Stay strong. And never give up because you will survive this war with yourself. We are here for you, my friend. We are one big family here. Please drop a heart below to show your support. I love you so much. Love and huggies.